Hey guys, it's been a long time. Just haven't been able to do time. So today, guys, we're going to be driving RC boats. Don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Let's just get straight into it. And as you can see, my brother's already out there driving his, so. Wait, hold on, Jake, don't move this. I gotta test something. Okay, so yeah. These boats are supposed to go 20 miles per hour. So yeah. You might not be able to see it too well, but here, let me fix the lighting. That should be better, okay. Jesse! What? Jesse? Huh. I don't know. What? What did I do? This almost got in front of me and I could have wrecked. But luckily if we wreck... Boom! Luckily if we wreck and it flips over... You probably didn't see it, but we just hit. Yeah. Luckily if we wreck, we can flip it straight back over. Oh yeah, here, Jake. Yeah, watch this. Hey, Jakey, flip my boat. Flip my boat. Flip my boat. Flip my boat. Jake, here. Okay, guys, watch this. Well, wait, hold on. Okay, now, flip it. Hold on. No, Jake, just do it to mine. Okay, you ready, guys? I don't think you guys saw that. I think my camera's still messed up, my gosh.
Yeah, your camera probably is messed up, so.
Okay, Jake, flip my boat. Yeah, as you can just see, Jake just did it. Here, Jake, flip my boat. You guys ready? Flip it over. Flip it over, Jake. No, it isn't. Flip my boat over. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's in the very corner. Flipped right over. All you really have to do is press forward and reverse real fast. So, yeah. Yeah, and sorry for the last video. I think it cut off in the middle of the video.
We just had to go.
No, it was because, my tablet just, cut off.
Yeah, his tablet cut off. I don't really remember what happened.
But yeah, that was on my best friend's channel, SolarX9. So, if you haven't seen his channel, go ahead and check that out.
His channel's really good.
And I'll just go check in the description, it'll be there. But yeah, these boats were only $60 from Amazon.
Yeah.
And they work great. Oh, dude, don't do that. You're going to mess it up. If you have not seen, these boats hate reverse, so. We try not to put them in reverse. If we can, we try not.
I'm gonna wreck into it.
Yeah, right. I'm creating a big donut.
Me too. I think it's about to die.
No, it isn't. Oh, did you see that, guys? Almost hit. Hey, Jake, come back in the middle so my viewers can see. Oh, and by the way, yeah, my brother is with me here today. Yeah. Bam!
Oh! You jumped in my boat.
So, wait, guys. Do you want us to do a relay? Hey, what do you think, Jake? You want to do a relay?
Sure.
Okay. Line up right here.
But you gotta show me the track.
Okay,
Because
here.
no one will know the track. Here, go right by me.
Okay, let me show you the track. So it starts back there, come all the way down here, and yeah, yeah, for you guys, I will switch the camera. I will move the camera so you can see. We'll bring it all the way down here. We'll turn right here, head all the way back, do a really nice pass by, and it'll just be like this. It'll be like, now we'll bring it back around here. One pass, turn, and head straight into the beach.
Got it. And then head straight into the beach. Got it.
Good. So you guys, I'm going to move the camera, or at least try, because this is going to be, like, really hard. Oh my gosh, it's going to be hard. Sorry if you, like, cannot see anything right now. It won't be long. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is, like, hard. Holy cow.
How do you not know how to change the camera?
No, I'm not trying to change it around. I'm trying to get it.
Oh, you're trying to get it to the right angle?
Yeah, a good angle.
Yeah, it's going to be hard because we're sitting on a golf cart right now.
Yeah.
So it's going to be hard. We have to find a really good angle.
Here, this might be okay right here.
That
Might. Let me get my stand.
Okay, Jesse, which one's a wick?
Mine's the one that's on the beach.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, okay, never mind.
He just floated away. I knocked it away. Here's the one floating.
You know, guys, I'm probably gonna have to set this over here. So freaking hard. Okay, that should be good. You guys might not be able to see where we start, but you'll definitely get to see most of the track, okay?
Yeah.
We'll come back and get ready.
Yep.
So yeah, guys, right now you might not be able to hear us. Actually, here, I'll make a move. Okay. So as you can see the track, well actually you can't see, but let's start where they can see.
Yeah. And let's not go where they can't see because they wouldn't see if we pass each other or not. Come right by me, Jesse.
Come.
Come right by me, Jesse. Come on. Right by me. This is the starting track.
I don't think our view. Okay, yeah, they can see us. Okay,
Come.
here, right here.
Okay.
Okay, is everybody ready?
3, 2,
1, go!
Yours are going a lot faster. Your battery's charged better.
Turn. Oh, shit! We just hit. Here, get ready for an awesome flyby or pass by.
I don't think they could see that.
Yeah, I think they do. Turn here. Do one more lap. Turn.
My boat, for some reason, wants to go the other way than it actually is supposed to. I have no clue why. And so, yeah. It just doesn't do that.
So yeah, I'm not entirely sure if you guys got to see all that. If you didn't, I'm so sorry.
If you did, you're sorry, huh?
If I did, like, angle the camera a little weird and you guys didn't see it, I'm so sorry. Just put it in the comment section and we'll totally make a new one.
Total.
When we have time. So
Might
yeah,
not be real soon, but we will make a new one.
Yeah, I think that's it for today. It's all the time we got. So see ya.